Good day everybody, my name is Andre and today's video about our new equipment. As you know, we make stainless steel extension pipes for distiller, but today we're happy to show you our new Cooper units for distiller. Let's cover what material are over here. The pipe itself made from Cooper food grade M1, so it's the best copper that is on the market, and on the both sides we have stainless steel tree clamps, and pipe is welded over here by TIG welding. We have four types of them, 1.5 inch, 400 millimeter, and 150 millimeters. And same situation with 2-inch extensions, 400 millimeter and 650 millimeter. So let's talk about diameter. The inner diameter of 1.5 inch pipe is 33 millimeter and 2 inch is 38 millimeter inner diameter. So thickness of walls is 1 millimeter in both types. We are not able to install thermometer port over here, so if you want to see what's going on, what's the temperature inside of your extension, it's better to go for this sensor unit, that small one we already show you in our YouTube channel. So you simply install by tree clamp and you're able to install thermometer or sensor from your PID or automatic. All of them are empty from the box, so there's no packing absolutely, and we can calculate the needed amount of SPP or mesh packing for them if you need. So you're able to write us and we can calculate needed amount of depending on the packing you need. Also, each extension comes with a tree clamp lock and food grade silicone gasket. This one is which is green, so you're able to install anything you want. You don't need to buy any additional clamp connection if you want to just add this to your distiller. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe on our YouTube channel and stay tuned. Wish you good and tasty drinks.